Amazon A to Z Employee Login. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Amazon A to Z is an employee login portal for Amazon employees. It is used for logging in to view work schedule and view the pay stub for the employees of Amazon. In order to log into Amazon A to Z Employee Login, open your preferred browser firstly and in the search bar, search for Amazon A to Z Employee Login. From the search results, tap on this particular link. You will be led to the login page of Amazon A to Z. Now enter your login ID and tap on the login button, and then enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password, and just in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can also tap on the forgot your password option there and reset your password. Once you enter the password, you will be able to log into Amazon A to Z Employee Login portal successfully. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.